Hey guys, Caleb here. I wanted to show you guys how to set Submasters, how to set them, how to use them, and yeah, just sort of what we're looking to do with them by implementing them into our worship gathering. So the first thing you need to know about Submasters is this dial right here. So the top is channel 1 through 40, the middle is channel 41 through 80, and the third one is 81 through 120, and then the bottom one is Submasters. We always have it set to Submasters, but just double check that whenever you're going to set Submasters that it is set to Submasters. The next thing that you should know about Submasters is that, basically the Submasters are your faders here. So once you have the lights programmed into the fader that you want to be affected by the fader, they will light up here on this button, and if you click the button, it'll bring them to full. So right there you saw the house lights over the stage come to full. That's because this Submaster controls those lights and those lights only. When you let go, they go back out, and the same with the house lights out here. Full, off. And if you bring the fader up, brings them up to full, brings them off. So yeah, let's walk through setting up a Submaster and yeah, just how that looks. So the first thing you want to do when you're setting up a Submaster is you want to go to Q out. And what that means is it is going to take every piece of information that this board is sending out, and it is going to completely black it out. So if you click go to Q, out, enter, you're going to see up here, it's going to count down like it would in a queue list, and you'll also see the lights fade out. In order to confirm that all of the lights are out of information, there's no information being sent through, over here on the left-hand screen, you'll see your intensities on all of these lights, all these channels don't show up. There's not even a 0 there. So that means that no information is being sent at all to anything, which is what we want. So from here, let's say I want the lights above the stage, the LEDs 51 through 55. I want those at full, enter. So we bring them up and then pick a color. So we'll go blue. And then let's say we want 60, which is the column lights right now, at full as well. And we want those to be purple of some kind, like that. And then 61 through 66. Actually, let's do something fun. 61 and 66 at 10%, and we'll make those blue. 62 and 65 at 10%, and we'll make those a little more purple. And 63 and 64 at 10%, and we'll make those more of a pinkish. So yeah, this is currently what is being sent out of the board. So once you have this set how you want it, you hit record, clear the command line, hit record, sub, we'll set ours for 4 since that's the next open one. So record sub 4, enter, and that should have lit this up, which it did. And if you click it, you'll see over here that it's showing everything that's lit up. So now I can bring it up and down, up and down. And the reason that it's still sending is because I have information going out still from here. So if I go to Q, out, enter, it'll take everything off, and then I can bring my Submaster fader up and it will bring that up. Just like that. So something else that I want to just let you guys know, I preset the first 3 faders here for our stage lighting. So the far left fader correlates with the far left of the stage being brighter than the rest. So left brings up the left, middle brings up the middle, and right brings up the right. The goal with this is whoever is leading, based on where they are on the stage, you can change your lighting to light them up more than the rest of the people on stage. We want to start doing this in an effort to be a little bit more cinematic in our worship, as well as trying to make this position a little more fun Before we were doing just cues and you were hitting go, and that's pretty boring. So part of the goal is to make this a little more fun. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.